Our next adventure is San Vicente. It's north of Puerto Princesa. It's called Lazuli Resort. There you go. Ayan ang Lazuli with its own beachfront. You can take a plane from El Nido or Puerto Princesa. So we start exploring the place and we start with the dining room. So this is supposed to be the restaurant. Okay, and inabot lang namin ang sunset. Okay, so yan ang Kugon Restaurant. At ito naman yung kanilang swimming pool. Ayun, may sunset pala rito. So, ito yung shower at 12 kwarto. Yan, 12 rooms. Sana mabigyan kami ng magandang kwarto. Uy, maganda pala sunset dito. Striking sunset. Kung 12 rooms lang siya, medyo maliit, pero at least you have your own privacy. So ito na yung Lazuli Resort dito sa San Vicente. So kung pupunta kami ng El Nido, siguro another 1 hour drive. But I'm sure Berna will enjoy this sunset of Lazuli. Well, hopefully kung yan ang mga rooms, sana may ambience yung room or sana maganda. Sana walang mga insects para madali matulog. Ayan. So, yan ang mga chairs and tables. Pero mukhang wala silang customer ngayon. Anyway, this is probably a 1 hectare property. Medyo malaki. Or if it's not 1 hectare, at least half hectare. But yun ang advantage mo. Ayan. Meron kang sunset every day. So from the swimming pool to the rooms na 12 rooms lang, ito na ang may ikutan mo. Merong walkway dito. At ano ba tong meron dito? Siguro parang bar. It looks like a bar. Okay. And ayan, may mga nakahiga rito. So may clients naman pala. Akala ko kami lang. So may mga kliyente. May beachfront naman pala siya. Okay, so at least you have the beach, you have the coconuts, and there you can enjoy the sunset. It's low tide. So, abutan pa namin yung sunset. Meantime, let's check on the room. Ito pala ang room namin. Ito, corner room. Ito. Meron kaming 2 upuan. Silipin natin from the outside. Yan pala yung room namin. 2 beds. Ano? Pwede ba makita yung kwarto?
Sige po.
Sige.
Ito po.
Medyo madilim Hindi mo binuksan ng ilaw. Yan. Buksan yung ilaw. Yun. Okay. Eto. Yan, may coffee. May TV. May hagdanan para sa mga damit na isasampay. Ayun na. Ayun, may aircon. At, ayan na yung mga gamit namin. But, good for 4 people pala. At least maganda, nabigyan kami ng corner room. Siyempre, pag may corner room ka, kikita mo yung sunset mula rito. Say mo. Kitang-kita, Kailangan mabuksan natin para lumabas yung kung may masamang amoy. Fresh air. Ayan, meron na akong katulong. Pakibuksan lang para may fresh air. Taga rito ka sa Palawan?
Yes po.
Okay. So, taga rito pala kayo. Yan, fresh air na. Sige, yan.
Ito
okay.
lang, sir.
Yan lang muna para may fresh air. Okay. Mamaya, pwede na namin isarado kung sakaling may lamok. Check banyo. Okay. May rain shower. At least may tuwalya. Maka-toothbrush ako. Alright, so from the room, lalabas muna tayo. Yan ang ating, yaan mo na yung susi doon. Wala naman siguro magnanakaw dito. At balikan natin yung sunset na highlight. Well, yung mga facilities niya hindi masyadong high-end. But at least may sunset ka, because hindi high-end, I'm sure the rooms are not that expensive. Let's ask Bern later. Ayan, oh, ayan yung room namin. Pinabuksan ko yung isang window para lumabas yung masamang amoy. So again, paglabas mo ng kwarto, meron kang well, it's a very nice swimming pool. And dito again, we have to look for Berna. Eto, magtanong tayo dito. Mga manong, ano ba yan? Ano ba to supposed to be? Ito, ano ba yan? Parang inuman? Bar? It's a bar. Ah, so pwede na umorder ng beer kung ganun. Bar pala eh.
Order beer po and wine.
Okay, all right, so can I have some beer? Okay, yun. Yes. So, you can order wine and beer. Ayun, ang nag-aayos ng kwarto. Ito na si Berna. Nag-ambience na. Sabay may kausap na mga empleyado na may gagawin yata sa Manila. Oh, it's a quite wide beach, ah. Aba, may character tong area na to. Oh. May mga islands, oh. Oh, ito. May sariling malaking bato ro, no? At nakapaikot yung mga isla. Yes, it's full of character. Maganda. At least marami mga trees. Ayan, ito mas malalaki na. Oh, maraming bangka dito. So I'm sure pwedeng umupa ng bangka dyan. Lalo na kung gusto mo mag-snorkeling. Aba, may bundok doon sa likuran, no? Yan ang mga kapitbahay niya. Ah, laki pala ng beach niya rito, ah. It's quite a wide beach. Ang harapan niya may antena. Siguro may para magkaroon ka ng signal, siguro Globe or Smart. Oh, look at this wide beach. Everything looks okay from here. Uy, pabagsak na. Uy, naku, makukuberan tayo ng clouds. Ayaw makisama ni sunset, oh. Covered siya ng clouds. Ah, pero lalabas ng konti. Hopefully, makita natin bumabagsak sa tubig. Yes. The best time of the day is the sunrise and the sunset. So that's the ambience. Again, let's pan our camera from left to right, right to left. Oh yes, coconut trees all around. Ganda ng lighting pagka sunset talaga. That's why yung mga mahilig sa sunset, they make sure they enjoy it. Aba, bilog na bilog, oh. Ha? Yes. Aba, babagsak na talaga sa tubig, oh. Yes. Yan, may backdrop ng bangka. At bumagsak na nga. At yan, ma-enjoy mo for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Ayan. Ayan ang inaantay ni Madam Berna. Kaya nagmadali para umabot sa sunset dito sa San Vicente. Medyo may kahirapan lang. 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours to get here from Puerto Princesa. Yes. Okay. Ganda ng pagkakabagsak ng boat, ng sunset, oh. Yes. Another maybe 2 more minutes. So mabuti may zoom in yung camera. There you go.
Very nice things to say about it.
So this is what you get if you stay here. You can actually enjoy it.
Lord San Vicente. Ano bang
Island hopping is nice.
Yeah, 1 minute to go.
Pero the island hopping ba yun?
And it's done.
It's different because you go to different islands.
Alright, so
So here, the island hopping, yeah, you go to those islands.
that's the beautiful sunset.
Well, in El Nido, the island
So we get to meet Ino Habana, the resort owner, with my wife Berna already chilling out. And now this is the beautiful island of Palawan. It's very close to El Nido, which is San Vicente.